I'm about to put you on to 3 surprising facts about eating chicken feet. Fact number 1. They're packed with collagen, great for your skin and joints. Want that youthful glow? Chicken feet might just be your secret weapon. Fact number 2. They're a delicacy in many cultures, enjoyed in soups and stews. Ever tried them? You might be missing out. Fact number 3. They're low in calories but high in flavor, perfect for a healthy snack. So, are you ready to give chicken feet a try? Or did I just make you curious